Hey there, so here is interesting AI app called Arch AI interior design. So let's just take a look at it and let's just try it out. Um, Transform your space with AI interior design. Are you tired of imagining how your room could look with a different style? Wish you could instantly visualize various interior design options without the hassle of manual rearrangement. Look no further. AI interior design is here to revolutionize the way you transform your living spaces. With AI interior design, you can now effortlessly bring your design dreams to life using the power of AI. So instant transformation, diverse style selection, detailed recommendations, save and share, like pretty cool app. So let's just open it up. Of course, there is all this hype with AI right now, but this app is being built by quite famous team. So here it is. Then you can just as an example, see this, and then so then you can just select a style, and then you just need to add a photo of your current room. So then you can just give access to camera, of course, like whatever. So you can just take a photo. I don't know, like, and then just generate. This is just an example, but and then here you will see something like that. So then you can see this. This will be just your kind of idea. It's pretty cool, and you can regenerate, you can publish, you can share it. If you want to remove watermark, obviously you will need to upgrade. But as you can see, this app is quite cheap though. It's like $3 per month, $3.33 per month, built yearly. So it's cheaper than other apps, but then it's like $5 per week. So like it just depends. It's pretty good pricing, I would say. And of course, it won't give you yet like super cool results, but it can give you some just style ideas. If you wanna try out what your room might look like if you change it to Japanese style or completely modern style, minimalist style or rustic, whatever, then it's a nice idea. But of course, at this moment, I think it won't give you like exact dimensions or something like that. So yep, that's just basically what it is here. And yep, it's pretty cool. Then you can see your recents, you can explore. What is that? Every user receives a fixed number of credits each day. Once you use up your credits, you will need to wait to them to be replenished or upgrade to a pro subscription. And then again, you need to upgrade if you want a pro subscription. And then, yep, here it is. So there are a bunch of other apps from this developer. So give it a try.